Hello friends, in this video we are going to remove the ignition coil. After cleaning the plugs, we will install the ignition coils back. In this video you can learn how to change the coils, how to change the plugs, and how to clean the plugs. First, remove the bolts holding the coils. This is a 4-cylinder engine and COP type coils are installed. Coil on plug system. So for 4 plugs there are 4 coils. Remove the grips with great care, not damaging the cables inside the grip, the wires inside the grip. After you have removed the coils, you have to remove the spark plugs. Insert the socket according to the size of the plug and unscrew the plug from the engine head. The plug is tight inside the engine head. And gives the spark directly onto the piston in the combustion chamber. There are 3 types of coils. Number 1 is COP type, you have watched already. The second is vested spark type. Vested spark type system has 1 coil between 2 cylinders, and older engines used single coil for 4 cylinders or 6 cylinder engines. If your 1 coil is faulty, your car won't start. But in COP type, if your 1 coil is faulty, your engine will start. As 3 of your coils are working and only 1 is faulty, the fuel average will be disturbed and the engine won't run smoothly if 1 coil is faulty. Take out the plugs with the help of magnet stick. We have to take out the 4 plugs. The plugs are still hot. Try not to burn your hands if you are taking out the hot plugs. There you can see the plug is in bad condition and need to be cleaned. This buff machine can easily clean the plug. There you can see the cleaning process is started.
म्यूजिक ला ले ना लाजमी तो नहीं है मेरे को नहीं ग्राइंडिंग की बहुत है
Watch the complete video. There you can see the plugs are cleaned. Slowly slide the plugs inside. The head. To tight them. If you drop them, You might have to readjust the gap of the plugs. They are going to hit the head and the gap will be disturbed. After insertion, tight the plugs. This is our friend Mutibur Rahman installing the plugs. These are the marks of the water. After cleaning the coils with a soft cloth, install them back, and then here you can see the plug is tightened and the coils are installed. Slide the grips onto coil and then tight the bolts of the coil which are holding the coils. These 4 bolts with the help of 10 mm T-rod, and we will start the car after. The bolts are tight. Now the car is started. And it's running smoothly. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like that. Hopefully you can clean the plugs, then install the coils after watching this video. In case of any question, don't hesitate and feel free to ask in the comment